Namaskar. Good day, dear friends. We at the Turbo in Techmake Private Limited is a company inception in 2005 with a massive experience of more than 17 years of Asia Brown Brewery in the field of power, utility and oil and gas sector. We have now various verticals in our organizations. A is automation systems pertaining to the oil and gas sectors, manufacturing various skids and dosing systems and other requirement for the oil and gas area plus chemical and process industries. Basically, we have started this organization with a turbocharger, which is a very key project or product and the technology we brought down from Switzerland to India. We serve at least the oil and gas sector, all power plant and captive power plant customer, especially the Indian oil corporations since last 20 years. We are having a full-fledged workshop of 8,000 square feet area into the GIDC Industrial Estate, Waghodia, District Vadodara. We are equipped with the all manufacturing, fabrications, facilities pertaining to manufacturing the various kits and instrumentation's purpose in our premises. We have been serving to IOCL, BPCL, HPCL and the various oils companies into the private sector as well. We have delivered more than about 45 or 50 skids to the Indian oil corporations in the recent past, as well as we have exported the skids for the gas-based locations to Nigeria. We offer the services through the pipeline from 1 inch to 28-inch pipeline for the various oil and gas sector and have served to mainly the Indian oil corporations as well as the various chemical industries for supplying entire pipeline solutions, valves, calibration of the systems and all the materials pertaining to pipeline division and refinery. With the grace of Almighty, we express our gratitude to the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, especially the Southeastern Region Pipeline Division based at Bhubaneswar, Sambalpur, for awarding us the contract and giving us an opportunity to completely design, develop, manufacture, supply the chemical injection dosing systems for the Sambalpur plant.
With grace of Almighty, we express our gratitude to Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Southeastern Pipeline Division, for giving us an opportunity to be a part of valuable supply chain management link for the complete project of corrosion inhibitor dosing system. The injection system can work with dosing rate adjustment depending upon the mainline flow rate. The system installed at a product pipeline pumping station to inject corrosion inhibitor liquid into the product pipeline for controlling internal corrosion in the pipeline. The job consists of design, fabrication, supply, installation, erection and commissioning of corrosion inhibitor chemical injection skid. Approved piping, instrument diagram and general arrangement drawing is enclosed in the manual. These drawings are self-explanatory. Approved piping and instrument diagram and general arrangement drawing is enclosed in the manual. These drawings are self-explanatory. Erection and commissioning of skid. The foundation details of foundation base skid is shown in the GAD section E4, E5. The RCC bed size of 2900 by 2185 by 200 mm depth is to be prepared as per GAD. The 4 grouting hole at the 4 corners of 4 pockets of 100 by 100 by 200 mm height is to be provided, and the details of this particular foundations and the RCC pocket is shown under the foundation bolt details at the section F4 and F5. The foundation bolt of M16 by 200 mm long are to be grouted for erecting base skid, shown as per GAD section 8C and 8D. Foundation instruction. The approximate maximum static load per pocket is 500 kg at hydro condition. This is how we have distributed weight of the entire skid for the foundation purpose. Lifting hook. Lifting hooks are provided suitably where you can lift this entire skid and unload to base where you want to install it. Please make sure to use calibrated lifting belts, 4 numbers of 1000 kg each. The unloading belt position is shown here so that it can be safely unloaded and erected on RCC platform. Earthing provision. The earthing bolts with nuts and washers are provided for connecting earthing cables. Basic feature of skid. The skid is designed for the purpose as shown above with one complete stand by line with standby dosing pump. There is also bypass line to mass flow meter is provided. This will be facilitated for maintenance aspects of equipment without interruption of operations of systems. Nozzle details for dosing tank. We now show you the nozzle connection from N1 to N10 as per the GAD P&I diagram. Each one is labeled as per P&I diagram, hence it is self-explanatory. Individual components of skid with specification and capacity. Please refer GA drawing, table of content, bill of materials for dosing skid. Mandatory spares for commissioning as well as 2 years maintenance spares. Please refer the GAD and section L of manual in which all spares with quantity are listed. Lubrication aspects of double diaphragm pump. Very important instruction. Recommended lubricant oil for the pump is as per ISO VG 460 grade. Lubricant quantity required is 3 liter. First oil fill is in our scope. Please check the oil level every 48 hours per alternate day as part of a checklist. Corrosion inhibitor chemical is injected from terminal point 1 to 1000 liter tank. The chemical from the drum can be filled into this tank either by electric motor driven pump. This pump set is supplied along with the system.
I am now showing you the electrical operated pump for filling up from a barrel to the tank. I can just show you, this is basically a delivery line. You can see the full flow has been coming as per the rated capacity. Now this suction line I am lifting up, it has been coming. Again I am dipping in the suction line here so that the flow is restarted again. It means this particular pump is a self-priming. Even it's been a pump, water is evacuated from the pipe, it will be sucked the pipe from a suction head and discharged to a level.
If pneumatic air is available, then one can use the pneumatic motor driven barrel pump, which can be mounted in the barrel directly. The flow directions are marked with arrow from outlet of tank to delivery point. The chemical then flow through ball valve 01 to main suction line. One standby line is provided in the system including instruments and double diaphragm pump. In case of one pump is under maintenance, then flow can be switched over to the standby line. Pulse dampener for dampening the vibration and turbulent flow before pressure gauge reading. Now the pump delivers the required flow from 2 to 20 liter per minute depending on the requirement. After discharge of pump, all the pipeline and equipment designed for high pressure which can withstand 100 kg per centimeter square pressure. The pressurized liquid flow towards mass flow meter which measure the flow and then discharge through NRV to main line. We have provided local electric flame proof panel with required indication including emergency stop button. The details of control panel electric wiring diagram and GAD is as per section C of manual. Explanation of control panel. The flame proof control panel is provided for local operation with VFD display. First is central control panel explanation. Left side indicators. First control supply on or off. Below that, second working pump trip. Pump 1 is trip. Below that, standby pump trip, that is pump 2 is trip. Right side push button. Red, emergency stop button for cutting off electric supply to system. Green push button, starting of pump. Yellow push button, raise the motor RPM of pump through VFD. Blue push button, lower the motor RPM of pump through VFD. Selector switches. Left switch. By turning off the left, the supply to control panel is on. Right switch. Selector switch at position 1 for selection to start pump 1, that is left pump motor. Selector switch at position 2 for selection to start pump 2, that is right pump motor. Center switch, local, means you are controlling the flow of pump manually through local control panel. Remote, means one can control the flow of pump through input signal to system through remote control panel. Right control panel is flame proof DOL starter for inlet electric gear pump for filling the chemical from barrel to the tank. There is on and off switch provided on the panel. Pneumatic barrel mounted pumps are also supplied, which can be run with supply of constant 5 to 7 bar dry pressurized air connected to air motor of pump. After pressing the lever, pump starts and suck the liquid from barrel, and through discharge hose it will transfer to storage tank. Actual operation key points. Caution: please make sure that all the inline flow valves from inlet to the pump and discharge to the terminal point TP02 remains open to avoid back pressure to pump or dry run condition of pump. Based on input signal from main control room, panel input signal in the form of 4 to 20 mA depending on the flow of main line is fed to local control panel of the system. To adjust the flow of chemical from tank, there are two options available. A. Local operation mode. One can vary the flow through spring operated lever provided on the top of pump, which can vary the flow from 25 to 100%, to be set depending on the mixture ratio required in terms of ppm. After defining the mixture ratio, one can adjust the flow manually as shown here. B. Auto operation. One can vary the flow through VFD, which in turn vary the speed of motor, resulting in variation of pump RPM and discharge of chemical into the system. Both skids are tested by input signal of 4 to 20 mA and variation in flow is measured physically. The actual measured liquid at discharge terminal is compared with mass flow meter. It shows the result as per desired calibration with defined accuracy of mass flow meter.
This liquid at level of 193 milliliter, which correspond to a flow of 22.7 or 23.1 liter per hour.
Please note that the discharge pressure remains at 100 bar in all variation of flow. Caution: please note that after setting pump RPM either manually or through VFD, one need to wait for some time to develop the pressure at 100 bar through throttling effect from discharge line. Once the pressure is set as per the desired flow level, then pressure remains constant for discharge of liquid or chemical. The calibration port is also provided in case of mass flow meter is under maintenance, hence one can adjust the flow manually. The capacity of calibration port is up to 500 ml. Important aspects of double diaphragm pumps are: if one diaphragm is ruptured, then the second diaphragm is in action and still deliver the liquid output. A pressure gauge is provided which indicate the normal working pressure. If the diaphragm ruptured, then the pressure shoot to maximum limit of local pressure gauge. This being local observation, one must note the reading regularly in logbook. Any abnormal deviation in the reading indicates something wrong with the pump. Mass flow meter from immersion. Important features of LED panel of mass flow meter is one can vary the flow indication unit by white paper.
You can just see, I put here the white paper, the reading has been changed. The unit has been changed to liter per hour to total liter. Again it's been changed to the GS mode. Again it's been changed to the general mode with the total number of indications. And this is called a liter per hour reading.
Differential level switch from immersion. It is provided at bottom tank and 9 terminal point. This can also give the signal of liquid in the tank, and its output signal can be connected to main control panel. Maintenance spares. The list is given in O&M manual. Please note that one entire VFD is provided as spare in order replace in case of any problem with existing VFD.
From bottom of our heart and the entire team of management from Turbo in Techmake Private Limited, we express our thanks to the entire team, all supplier, technical and non-technical staff contributed for successful manufacturing and supply the entire tools kits to the Indian Oil Corporation, Sambalpur. Last but not the least, thanks to the entire team at Sambalpur of Indian Oil Corporation division, where they have successfully erected and commissioned the entire seat successfully. Thanking you. Shabba Khair. Namaskar.